just about trisomy 21 and how it is getting transmitted. Okay, so if you see the what happens normally. Okay, so if we have a male, so and there will be 23 sets of chromosomes, right? So totally 46 chromosomes, and we are having 23 sets of chromosomes. So 1, 2, 3, and similarly, and this is the 21st chromosome, and 22 and 23, right? And similarly we have the mother who is again having okay, and who is again having the similar set of chromosomes. And and this is the 21. Okay, and this is the 21st. So what is the most common cause of trisomy 21? The most common cause of Downs is increased maternal age, right? So what happens normally? Normally 1/2 of chromosomes from the father, so say only this one, and 1/2 of chromosomes from the mother. It is much an intricate process. I am just making it simple so that we can understand it much better. Fuses, and it will produce the offspring with another 23 set of chromosomes, 1/2 from the mother and another half from the father, right? But what happens in trisomy 21? Actually these chromosomes are supposed to give only 1/2 of it to form the offspring. But in trisomy 21, this 21st chromosome alone, it undergoes a non-disjunction such that instead of just half, the entire 21 comes. So the entire 21 is presented to the offspring because there is no disjunction. There is a non-disjunction of chromosome 21. So because of this, the offspring will have, instead of half of chromosome 21, they will have the entire set, 2 of chromosome. So 2 from the mother and 1 from the father, it will result in a trisomy. This is the common reason for which happens non-disjunction of chromosome 21, which happens in advanced maternal age. But in younger females also we see that they are having an offspring with Down syndrome or trisomy. What is the reason? That reason is Robertsonian translocation. So what do you understand by Robertsonian translocation? Robertsonian translocation is also similar, just like this. See, in the female, everything, there is no issue with chromosome number 21, but instead in chromosome, let's say for example this is chromosome 14 and this is the long arm of chromosome 14. Along with the long arm of chromosome 14, there is another long arm which is attached to the long arm of chromosome 14, that is chromosome 21. The long arm of chromosome 21 is attached with the long arm of chromosome 14 in these individuals. Fine. So because of this Robertsonian translocation, now when this gets non-disjuncted, along with long arm of chromosome 21, another extra long arm is presented to the offspring. So therefore they will be having one extra long arm of chromosome 21 and they will be forming a trisomy. So this is what is known as Robertsonian translocation. There is one more reason for trisomy 21, that is known as the Mosaicism. The issue is in the post-fertilization mitosis. So what happens? So once all this is formed, the genetic matter is formed, and the one egg, it divides and divides and divides and it forms the morula, right? During that age there has to be a mitosis. In that mitosis there are some issues such that it will result in trisomy 21, and that is known as mosaicism. Mosaicism, as the name says, it is not present in all the entire cells. In these two cases, all the cell is having an extra chromosome 21. But in mosaicism, some will have, some may not have. So that is another reason for trisomy 21. They will be presenting with a less severe defect. Not the entire typical features of Down syndrome will not be there. This may be present, this may not be present. They will be in the borderline. The baby will be presenting with clinical features which are almost in the borderline. Okay. So thank you for listening. Have a good day.